This is the Green Water toilet flow stop that's used on a toilet tank. So it's called prototype toilet flow stop for the tank of the toilet. It's the end action flow of the Green Water toilet flushing system that uses sink water to flush the toilet. What's very important here is that this prototype is part of a flush toilet prototype where flushing toilets is 50% of water use in homes. So any gray water or green water that can be used to flush a toilet, which is only going into the black water septic system anyways, is a very, very useful use of water, thus making it green water. Prototype 110406, item H. So the Green Water toilet flow stopper is simply a plumbing stop mechanism that, if you look in this, you will see that the clear tube is the tube that comes from the under sink water that is going to be pressurized and put into the toilet. Now this particular unit that you're looking at has a ball valve that when the toilet empties, the ball will drop and allow the water in the tube to continue to flow until the water tank is full. Once the water tank is full, the ball valve will jam the bottom of this funnel type pipe fitting and will stop the flow, and thus the tank will be full and will have used sink water to fill it. In this particular case, the main water for the toilet should be turned off and utilized, the tank should be utilized just to house the gray water from the sink. So as you can see, the water is in the tube, and as I hope you can see, the tube is essentially locked, so there's no water coming in the tube. And I'll show you that as the toilet flushes, now you will see that the water is flowing nicely through the tube. I hope you can see that. And of course, this water is coming from the under sink flush. As you can see, that water continues to flow through the tube. Now, as the tube is, as the water in the tank is rising, as you can slowly see there, the tube now is still filling, but the water is trickling, and now the actual tube is starting to be jammed. And so, although there's still water flowing in the tube, I think it's hard to see here, but there's still water flowing in the tube, and now it's totally stopped. That the tube now has jammed. There's a little bit from the air pressure, and again, if I flush the toilet again, the ball drops because it's a floating ball, and now you can see all the water now flowing from the under sink flush. So that is how the mechanism works for the toilet flow stop. It's an easy to install, snap-in arrangement, and it's critical in terms of allowing the tank that will be under the sink to stop its flow once the toilet tank is full, and that is the mechanism for the Green Water toilet flow stop.